GFCIs, ground fault receptacle. Those are meant to protect the person from getting electrocuted. These outlets are meant to be installed in what we call wet areas: bathrooms, kitchens, laundry, exterior, and garages. Why the exterior and the garages? Because of the amount of humidity could cause the breaker or the GFCI to trip. Now, if you're in the bathroom and you don't have power and you have a GFCI, you can go ahead and press the button to reset it. If that bathroom does not have the reset button, we need to look at other wet areas. Maybe the outlets in the kitchen might have it, maybe the one in the laundry, maybe the one on the exterior.